Hello everyone and welcome back. This video is for everyone who took the first workshop that we did called Mastering Pyro Effects in Houdini. And this was a 10 weeks workshop that covers pretty much everything there is about Houdini. But it was done 3 years ago and it only covers mantra. Since then, we have been trying to create Mastering Pyro Level 2, which we've done a lot of R&D for, but at the same time side effects was changing everything under the hood. And by the time we finished R&D for Mastering Pyro Effects Level 2, which included an airplane going through smoke and a lot of custom things, by the time we finished the R&D for that workshop, which was like 5 months of work, side effects released a new sparse solver. But the thing is they didn't talk about is that the sparse solver comes with a new combustion model, which is the majority of the custom or the work that we did in this workshop was how we can create our own combustion model. And the main reason we did this is because we want to do something more advanced with Houdini. We want to customize everything. But then the new solver, the new pyro solver that came, or the sparse solver, it's not clear that they have a combustion model, but they do, and it is actually much more stable. And they tried to recreate some of the Weta work that they did for the Avengers. So side effects worked with Weta team and they tried to create a halfway workflow or something combined between what Weta did and what side effects wants to do. So we had to go back to the drawing board and say, okay, we're not going to do Mastering Effects Level 2 because everything has changed. We first need to change the Mastering Effects Level 1, which is now called Explosion Effects in Houdini. And by doing this workshop, we realized that we don't have to do a Level 2 workshop. We're going to combine everything here and show everything we have. Everything basically we want to share, we're going to combine it in this workshop. And not like the Mastering Pyro Effects where individual shots or individual sims were basically, you know, practical technical effects, like how to do this, how to do that. We wanted to use shot-based effects. So we're going to talk about the technical things, but we're also going to be reproducing production ready shots. The other thing that we did, because the solver is brand new, we had to do so many R&Ds, and I think I have like 450 wedges that we're going to share to explain how the new solver works, because everything is different. And then after all that R&D, I looked at it and said, okay, do I need to customize it? Do we need to change this combustion model? And we don't have to, or like the default is actually really good, not like the one in the pyro solver. So what I ended up doing is using the combustion model that comes with side effects and then injecting extra things to it. If you're brand new and you don't know what I'm talking about, that's perfectly fine. Everything will be explained later. I just wanted to make sure that everybody who took the previous workshop understands that we're going to be going and learning new things completely. The basic is still the same. What a smoke field is the same. What a simulation is all of that is the same. Houdini has changed since 12. Okay, so we're not going to be talking about anything new there. The technical side of things is the same, but we're going to learn how to use this new solver and get the most out of it and see what we need to customize and how to use it basically. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.